This is a KLR 650 LED turn signal wire up. Nothing straightforward on YouTube, just a bunch of runarounds. So here it is. Picked these guys off of Amazon. I don't know, pretty straightforward, super cheap. Also picked up this LF1S flat. I'll put the link in the description as well. This looks funky because I jumpered it up just to test it, but the LFS1 came with this flat adapter. Cut that off. Obviously you can make this a lot cleaner, but this is where the existing LED flasher was, under the seat. It's an L-shaped. Splice it up together, make sure you got the hots and grounds correctly wired, and start it up. Boom. Even I can do it. Alright, there you go.